Endurance. It's not just standing the test of time. It's staying the course when others turn back. It's finding your way through difficult paths, and when you can't find a way, you make one. Since 1902, beginning with our humble roots in Chicago, Belden has not only endured but thrived at the heart of American innovation. Our roots are woven into some of America's biggest breakthroughs. Thomas Edison relied on Belden magnet wire to bring his world-changing ideas to life. And we were there with Neil Armstrong when he first set foot on the moon. We supported the birth of radio, the rise of television, and the start of the digital age. Belden endures because American industry has depended on us to adapt, deliver, and lead. For 120 years, we've evolved alongside the manufacturers and builders who keep this country moving. While others have scaled back, we scaled forward. This isn't just our legacy, it's our responsibility. With 10 state-of-the-art facilities across the U.S., Belden connects people, information, and ideas. We solve your challenges with innovation, and we make the connections that keep everything running. Because we're more than just cables. We are the backbone of innovation, energy, infrastructure, smart manufacturing, logistics, entertainment, healthcare, aerospace, defense, and every sector America relies on. So when American businesses need a partner who stood the test of time, they reach out to Belden. Bring us your challenges. We'll engineer solutions together. Rooted in America, built to endure. Belden. Connect to what's possible.